How to clear search history on Prime Video application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily clear your search history so that you can keep your recommendations fresh and maintain privacy on your Amazon Prime Video account. First of all, launch open the Prime Video application from your app drawer and log into your account. Once you're logged into the home page of Prime Video, go ahead and click on My Stuff at the bottom right corner. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to click on Clear Video Search History. Now click on Yes in the pop-up and this will delete your video search history in the application. So that is how you can easily do it. Now you can enjoy a fresh start with private or updated search recommendations. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.